Hello viewers, welcome to AppCreation. Today I am going to talk about how to upload images in files into website. This process something naturally easy to do inside PHP. Let's see. First, I have already created a normal form. In this opening tag, just add compulsory attribute for upload file. ENC type value is multi-part from data. Okay. Then I am creating a new page for PHP coding. Here, open the PHP and include the connection file. You need to use this to receive the PHP file on the server. The value of the previous page is being stored by passing the true of the global variable post here. Now $fname equals to post peak name. It's for file name. I will choose the file to keep that file in the database. This name is peak. To know the path of this file is saved in the temp file. Okay. If you are new to AppCreation, please subscribe and press the bell icon to turn on notification when the new videos are uploaded. Make directory @mkdir and file name image. Here $dir equals to image / time function underscore. Copy the above variable. In here copy this variable and $directory. Okay. I will write a query to insert the file. So $SQL equals to insert into table name. So a table needs to be created to go to the database. Table name like file. In here added attribute ID, name, pick. Then varchar length 50 ID is auto increment and primary key. Save. Check this browse. It's done. Came back the query. Table name, values, table attribute name inside the backtick. ID, name, pick. Make sure there are no mismatch and value null for ID. Just copy this above variable and paste in here. Now for run this $td query SQL. Now check name. I will choose the file. Look, it can easily access the file. Now submit this. There is an error in line number 7. Yeah. Here is have to use super global variable $files and $files. Now save and refresh. Again error, mistake, semicolon. Now continue. What's happened? Don't worry. Line 8. Okay, temp underscore. Now save and continue. Finally, it's checked. Go to database. You can see all pics upload in here. It's completely done. Thanks for watching. Wait for the next video. Bye.